How to hurricane-proof your house. Install a metal roof. Fortunately, there is a material that can withstand a hurricane's high wind speeds and torrential downpours: metal. If you're purchasing a home that does not already have a metal roof, I highly recommend installing one. Metal roofing is one of the most popular types of wind-resistant roofing available. According to American Building Components, metal roofing is outfitted in interlocking panels to provide unique strength and security. This type of roofing can also resist winds of up to 140 miles per hour. Install impact windows. These impact windows are made of impact-resistant glass which is safely and securely installed into the window frame. The durable, strong glass is built to keep heavy rain, hail, hurricane-force winds and flying objects from shattering your windows. Landscape the yard. One of the best ways to keep your home protected from a hurricane is to simply prep your yard. Regular landscaping and yard maintenance can go a long way in preventing damage and destruction to your home during hurricane season. First, clean your gutters. By clearing the gutters around the home of leaves and various debris, rainwater from hurricanes and tropical storms will be able to move more easily off the roof. Second, prune all trees and bushes surrounding your home. Thank you for watching. JF Property Group are offering you a residential lots, agricultural lot for sale and an apartment for rent. Search www.jfpropertygroup.info. Contact us for more information. Our social media platform. We offer services to market your business. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for a more interesting video.